To get to this fourth question, which some would consider to be the first question or even a central one from which the others are all springing, let's review. We have function, we have interaction, and we have comparison. That big question then is a matter of history. What is the history of change in which all of these other questions become examples, become phases, become, for lack of a better word, a phylogeny, an evolutionary history. And the insight regarding the hand is that our shape, our arrangement is plesiomorphic. What that means is you're looking at a salamander hand. That all of those other things I mentioned, the paws, the wings, the flippers, all of those are modification from this. Our hand is decidedly ancestral. It's not only ancestral for a mammal, it's also ancestral for the whole of the tetrapods. It doesn't become a derived character unless we look very, very far back in history and start talking about the very first hand-like structures that you can see in lobe-finned fish. Our hand, which has been lauded as an instrument of human culture, an instrument of human civilization, there's been an immense effort to try to examine the evolution of the hand in tandem with the evolution of the human mind, is actually missing the important point that we're working with, and our modifications on it are extraordinarily minor. The old hand. Words like advanced and primitive are either not used in modern biology or they're used in extremely, extremely technical and unloaded ways. But if we did want to play games with those terms, it's worth pointing out that we are not talking about advancement here whatsoever. That the paw of your dog is an advancement upon what we have. That the digger of a mole is an advancement on what we have. What you do with a thing is not what it's for in terms of evolution. All structures are jury-rigged upon what has evolved in the past. Our hand, is it amazing? Is it a human achievement? Is it something that we can clutch to ourselves as one of our special human properties? And what we do with it is certainly an interesting and special human phenomenon. Special in the sense of we happen to be a species on this planet doing a thing. But it's old.